So over the last 2 days, we've talked about what makes our platform special. The people behind the products, the vision that drives them, and then the customers like you that bring that vision to life. We've also seen how teams like yours use an intelligent test approach across all kinds of industries and applications. How companies like MMI, Sub-Zero, Milwaukee Tool, Archer Aviation, Qualcomm, student groups like Trell are redefining what's possible, putting data at the center, accelerating innovation, and then reshaping entire industries. What connects every story is simple. It's people. It's you, the engineers, who drive innovation through creativity and ingenuity. And that's going to be true whether you have AI to help you or not. Being strategic about test helps you move faster and reduce risk. And we will continue investing in our platform, building intelligence in our hardware, software, and data to make that easier year after year. Our goal is pretty simple. Deliver an intelligent, flexible platform that abstracts complexity, accelerates your workflow, and then empowers you to focus on what matters most. And that's solving the toughest engineering challenges of today and then driving the innovations of tomorrow. Okay, speaking of today, we have a compelling agenda of technical sessions, meetings, and time in the Experience Lounge for the rest of the day, so take advantage of all of them. But as you leave, think about what's next and the role that each of you can play in it. And then don't forget to have a little bit of fun doing it. Thanks again for being here. We will see you again next year.